Hi, Emily. This is Tony. We spoke a little earlier today. I called you guys up and said that I wanted to shoot you over a video. So here it is. What I wanted to do was go over a couple of tips that can help you guys increase your online presence in a way that'll actually help you generate some additional business via your website. I do this as a free educational service to small owners, or small business owners, I should say, as a way to just sort of give back and to educate about their websites so they know when they're being taken advantage of or not by unscrupulous folks. So all I ask is if you guys do find this beneficial that you reply to the email, just give me any feedback you might have. It helps me out a ton. So what I want to do is go over three of Google's main ranking factors and then compare your website to one of your main competitors. So those ranking factors are content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll start with content. So Google really values content highly. It's really it's sort of the foundation of everything for your website. The average website ranking in number one has about 2,000 words on it. So that's what we recommend. Not only does Google want to see that, it allows you to get the keywords into your content that you want to be found for. So when I first opened your website, I was sitting here staring at this drone shot again and again and again. It's awesome. And then I went down and I found that like literally this was all of the content you had on your site, and I was like, oh, you've got 95 words in total. That's going to make it very, very, very hard for you guys to rank for any kind of keywords that you want to be found for. So what I did over here is I searched for roofing Jacksonville FL. That's one of the main keywords in your area, and the number one ranking person in the organic results was Prime Roofing. So I've got them open here. I'm going to copy the text that they have on their site and do a comparison, and they're right around 700 words. So positive thing is they're not even close to 2,000, so they're easy to beat if you decide to go that route. And then you're getting your foundation, laid more solidly than they are. Let's go back over here then. When I did this search, we get the paid ads, of course. Google needs to make its money. These are hit and miss. If you need some quick traffic, it works sometimes, but a lot of people pass right over these, or they have ad blockers, so they never even see them. But below here, this is where you want to be as a small business. About 70% of the search volume comes here. We call it the map pack. They're going to call or click one of these three, if not multiples. People just assume if you're on the top three here, you're the best, one of the best in the area at roofing. I know that's not necessarily true, but I do know that they figured out how to get there. And one of the main ranking factors for this area are called citations. And all a citation is your company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites around the web. Sites like yellowpages.com, Yelp, Thumbtack, even Facebook, a Facebook business page. There's about 400 of these sites. You can do a simple Google search for citation websites and get a list a mile long. If you were to add your company to 10 to 20 of these per week for some number of weeks, you're going to slowly see your Google My Business listing start ranking higher. Just be careful that you're consistent with the way you're inputting the data. The address always needs to be the same, company name, website, website, phone number as well. Consistency is key. So below the map pack is the organic results, and these are more dictated by something called backlinks. Backlinks are just your company URL in a clickable format out on another website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to get links from relevant, if you can, websites, and for sure trusted websites, websites that you know are not going to be spammy. A good example for you would be like a home improvement website. Maybe they have a blog. You could even provide them with a blog, blog content, just a little article. Oftentimes the website owners will trade content, good, well-written content, for a link back to your website, which would be a backlink from a niche relevant source. So that was content, citations, and backlinks. So now I want to take your main competitor here for this keyword anyway and put them over here into this app called Ahrefs. This is a paid app. It gives us an estimation of what Google knows about a website. There are non-paid apps, free apps out there that do something similar. So you could just do a search in Google for a backlink finder or like SEO audit tools. So this site estimates that Prime Roofing here has 629 websites with its URL on it, so backlinks. They're being found for 4,100 keywords for a organic traffic value of 2,400 a month. Let's compare that to your site here real quick. We're looking at 3 websites that have your URL on them for 8 total keywords and an organic traffic value of 0. So this organic traffic value, organic keywords value is directly related to the lack of content on your homepage. You're simply not going to be able to, Google's not going to rank you for anything because there's no keywords for you to rank for. So what I would suggest first and foremost is write out 1,500 to 2,000 words of well-written content, with headers and bullets. Go out and look at your competitors' sites and get some ideas from them. Sit down and write it out and get that stuff on your homepage. You gotta have it. You could get a week's free trial of this product. Throw Prime Roofing FL in there. Go here to their, sorry, I didn't even mean to do that one. Go here to the organic keywords and drill through here and look for all of the keywords that are roofing, roofers, roofer with Jacksonville FL, and get those keywords on your homepage. And then go out, get some citations, and look for backlink sources. Another tip for you for backlinks, you can go right here to the referring domains, and all of these websites, they've got backlinks on. You can click into them and see if you can't figure out where they got their link from. Sometimes you just need to create a profile on the website, and you can find a spot to put your website URL within the profile. They've already got all those backlinks. That's a roadmap for you. You just follow their roadmap. All right, well, I hope that was useful. I know that was a lot of information. I hope I gave you some tools in your tool belt so you can help yourself if you want to. Obviously, this is what I do for a living. So if what I just went through made your head spin and you have no desire to do it, but it needs to be done, just give me a call or shoot me a reply to the email and let me know. I'd be more than happy to see if I can't be of assistance to you guys. But again, at the least, if you could just give me a reply, let me know your thoughts, that would be very helpful for me. All right, well, if you have watched, thank you very much, and I will let you get on with your day. Bye-bye.